Good evening everybody. Now I am going to explain 12.1 exercise applications of trigonometry second problem. In the previous class we discussed the first problem and examples. Now I am going to explain the second problem. The question is a tree was broken due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the four of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. సో ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమడుగుతున్నాడు, హెవీ విండ్ స్టార్మ్ వల్ల చెట్టు బ్రేక్ అయిపోయింది. బ్రేక్ అయిన తర్వాత అది రిమైనింగ్ బ్రేక్ ఫాల్ డౌన్ ద పార్ట్ టచింగ్ ది గ్రౌండ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ మేకింగ్ 30 degrees with the ground. So what is asking you, it is the distance from the foot of the tower and the last where it is touching the ground is 6 meters. Now we have to find the height of the tree before falling. Okay, so పడిపోయే కంటే ముందు ఆ ట్రీ హైట్ ఎంత ఉంది. For this you have to first we need to draw the diagram. So before falling you show like this and the remaining dotted you draw, then you draw like this. Now it is A, B, C and this part you take D. The dotted line what I am taking is it is before falling. So I am showing with the X letter, H. So this part only touching the ground. It is making 30 degrees with the ground. The distance where it is touching is 6 meters. Okay. For this you have to calculate the two values, one H and X. After finding the X and H, this H plus X is the height of the tree before falling. So first you take here what to take, opposite value we need to find, adjacent we have to find, that is nothing but tan. So you have to take tan 30 is equal opposite is AC by adjacent is AB. So tan 30 value is how much? 1 by root 3. We know the value of tan 30, it is 1 by root 3. Now AC value you don't know, it is H and AB value is 6. So taking it to this side, H is equal to what? 6 by root 3. But here root 3 is irrational value. To rationalize it, H is equal 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3 you do. You will get it as 6 root 3 by 3. So it is 2 root 2. 2 root 3. Height is 2 root 3. But what we need to find, we have to find the X value. At this time, you have to check these two relations. Okay? X and 6. Now it is sin 30 we have to take. We have to take the cos 30. Why have to take cos 30 means this is the adjacent side with this one and X is nothing but the hypotenuse. So you have to take cos, ratio cos 30 is equal, adjacent is X, adjacent is 6 by hypotenuse is X. So what is the cos 30 value? It is root 3 by 2 is equal 6 by X. Now you do cross multiplication. X you are taking to this side, it is 6 into 2 by root 3. So here also you have to rationalize it. It is 12 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So what will you get by rationalizing it? You will get it as 12 root 3 by 3. So 3 1 is 3 4. It is equal to 4 root 3. Now we have to get the height of the tree before falling. So పడే కంటే ముందు ఆ ట్రీ హైట్ ఎంత ఉంది. సో we have to add this H and H. So now you write it, height of the tree before falling down. Before falling down you have to add these two values. So it is 2 root 3 plus X value is 4 root 3. So 2 root 3 and 4 root 3 both together will become 6 root 3 meters. Now I am going to explain the 12.1 exercise third problem. The question is, a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set up at the height of 2 meters and by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What should be the length of the slide? So did you understand the question? A contractor ఒక slide for playing children. You want to, in the parks you will see the slide playing కొరకు సెటప్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. సో ఎంత హైట్ లో 2 meters ఆఫ్ హైట్ ఉండాలి అండ్ ద ఇంక్లినేషన్ స్లోప్ ఆఫ్ ద స్లైడర్ ఇస్ 30 degrees. ఆ స్లైడర్ ఎంత యాంగిల్ లో ఉండాలి? 30 degrees గ్రౌండ్ తో 30 degrees స్లోప్ లో ఉండాలి. ఎంత లెంత్ ఉండాలి? స్లైడర్స్ ఎంత లెంత్ లో అవసరం ఉంటుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్. సో వన్స్ first you draw the diagram. It is a very small question only. So this is the height. He gave the 2 meters of height. Here support will be no for slide. You will see in the park. It will be some height. You will climb it and will slide it. So that this will be 2 meter height. This distance no need for us, but we need to find this BC length. This is the slide. This is the slide. First you see that once you to do this problem, you have to see what is known to us and what we have to find. For that only you have to take the two relations. You can use any two of the relations, but generally we will use sin and cos like that only. For this we can use secant, cosec also, but starting relation sin and cos we use. It is making 30 degrees. You want to set up it with the 30 degrees. ఇక్కడ ఈ స్లైడ్ అనేది స్లోప్ 30 తక్కువ ఉండేలాగా స్లోప్ ఉండేలా సెట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఫస్ట్ we need to find it. First go to the relation of these two sides. ఈ రెండింటికి రేషియో ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ యాంగిల్ కి ఇది ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ అవుతుంది, హైపోటెనస్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఇస్ ఆపోజిట్ బై హైపోటెనస్? ఈ sin. సో యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ sin 30 is equal to 2 by slide. What is it? BC. Now sin 30 value is 1 by 2. So it is 2 by BC. You know that by doing cross multiplication 1 into BC is equal to BC. Now it is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 meters. The slide length should be 4 meters.